Eva is wearing a wig because this is a piece about catcalling. A slutty construction worker told me that I have a nice butt.
A slutty construction worker told me I had nice eyes.
A slutty construction worker told me, nice nose.
A slutty construction worker told me, I want to take a bubble bath with you and share your toothbrush.
A slutty construction worker told me, are you married?
A slutty construction worker told me, can I buy you a bagel?
A slutty construction worker told me, here are 2 tickets to SpongeBob the Musical on Broadway.
A slutty construction worker told me, here's a ring for your hand.
A slutty construction worker told me, here's some sunscreen for your body.
The slutty construction worker told me, I mentioned you in therapy.
A slutty construction worker told me, what I don't like about other people is what I hate about myself.
A slutty construction worker told me that I'm anemic.
A slutty construction worker told me I should go to coding boot camp.
A slutty construction worker told me that I should open a Roth IRA.
A slutty construction worker told me, I want to take you to get a hearing test. And I said, why? And the slutty construction worker said, because I use power tools every day, so I worry a lot about my ear health, and I don't want you to have to go through that.
A slutty construction worker told me that my favorite game is checkers, and I get that from my grandpa.
A slutty construction worker told me not to take a 23andMe test unless I wanted to find out about my grandpa's secret family.
A slutty construction worker told me that in an acre of the Amazon rainforest, there's estimated to be as many as 70,000 different species of insects.
What a slut.
What a slut.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.